next installment. I'm sorry I didn't get it done yesterday. There was a impromptu faculty meeting that lasted for 2 hours. The sum of the ages of Alex, Bree, and Christy is 43. Christy and Bree are twins, and each is 5 years old. Sorry, 5 years older than Alex. How old is Alex? Okay, so we know, and you know how I like equations because they're easy ways to make up organize data. We know that Alex plus Bree plus Christy is going to equal 43 years. And we know that Bree and Christy are twins. So essentially, that's like one person, right? And they're 5 years older than Alex, right? So we know that A plus 2 Brees, because Bree and Christy are the same, are again going to equal 43. And then we also know that Christy and Bree are both 5 years older than Alex. So that is 10 years right there, right? So Alex plus 2 Christinas, and they're both 5 years older, so that's a total of 10. So that's equal to 43 minus 10, right? So that means that we're making Alex and Christina, or Alex and Bree, essentially the same age, because Alex is going to equal Christina minus 5 years, right? So that means that Christina is going to equal Alex plus 5 years, and we have 2 of them, right? So that means Bree is also equal to Alex plus 5 years. So this whole thing is going to be Alex plus Christina, which is A plus 5, plus Bree, which is again Alex plus 5, which is equal to 43. Now I understand I'm not going sequentially. I'm trying to explain my thinking here. So I'm going to use this equation here because I know I have Alex. This whole piece is Christina. This whole piece is Bree. So how many Alexes do I have? Well, I have 1, 2, I have 3 Alexes. So that means 3 Alexes plus, what is 5 plus 5? 10, is equal to 43. Well, that means that 3 Alexes has to be equal to 33. So Alex must equal 11, because 11 times 3 is 33. All right, suppose this month is month X. 3 months before month X is 2 months after September. What month will be 29 months after X? Here's my suggestion in this. I'm going to make a number line, well, a month line, but I'm not going to include the months. So I know there are 12 months in a year. So here's 1 month, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to call this month X. I don't know what month it is yet. I haven't filled in the January, February details yet. And now let's go look at this question. It says, suppose this month is month X, so that's this month. 3 months before month X, 1, 2, 3 months before month X, is 2 months after September. What is 2 months after September? October, November. So that makes this November. Well, that means we can fill out the rest of the line, right? So here's December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. And let's just verify that we're right here. So suppose the month X, 3 months before month X, 1, 2, 3, is 2 months after September. 1, 2, okay. So, it's February. What month will it be 29 months after X? Well, There are 12 months in a year, so there are 24 months in 2 years. So we are 2 years and 5 months. So what is 5 months before this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. July. All right, number 6. On line segment EA, which is right here, B is the midpoint of AC, and C is the midpoint of AD, and D is the midpoint of BE. And it says DE is 15. And again, we don't care about the units in math competitions. What is the length of DE? Well, that means that from here to here is also 15. Great. Well, what else does it mean? Well, and we're trying to find what is the length of AD. Trying to find that whole thing. So going back a little bit further, it says, so B, it says that AD, C is the midpoint of AD. So this is this midpoint to this. This is 15. And B is the midpoint of C. So, So that's 15, right? So we know the answer is going to be greater than 15. And so we really need to find the distance of AB in this case. Or, conversely, if we find the distance of CD, we know the whole distance because that's twice, right? So, well, we know that CD is less than 15. Let me think about this for a second. Ah, I'm stuck. So we're really looking for a connection that will connect DE with the first half of the number line. So, well, let's think about it a little bit differently. So we know this is equal to this. So let's call this distance. Let's call this distance here, oh, I don't know, x. So that's x as well. Well, that means that AC is equal to AD, so that's 2x. And we know that BD is going to be 3x, which is equal to this. Oh, okay. Well, that makes it a whole lot easier. Sorry for the pause there. So that means that this unit from here to here is going to be 3 times this initial unit. Okay, well, so that means my initial unit must be 5. So here's 5, here's 5. That means this unit is 10, and this is 15. So then AD is going to have to be 20.